So my name's Damion Jones and I'm the Volunteering and Training Coordinator here at Kaya Park Partnership, and I've also come through the Communities for Work Plus project. My life was quite chaotic. I'd just come through mental health issues, domestic abuse and childhood traumas, and I'd just come out the other side of that. And I was kind of trying to find my way, what I was interested in. I didn't quite know where I fit in the world or what I wanted to do, and that's where I made contact with the Communities for Work Plus project. Life's really good for me now. I found employment and I'm progressing in my career. I'm a lot more confident. I'm helping people as well, which has always been a passion of mine. I'm in a much better place mentally, and I'm really enjoying life and living life to the full. One of the biggest challenges I had was my anxiety and confidence. I didn't believe in myself anymore, but coming to the Communities for Work Plus project and being allocated a mentor who really believed in me really helped me on my journey, because I felt like someone was always back in my corner. And it equipped me with the tools I needed in order to start progressing in my career. I've developed as a person by just becoming more whole, equipping myself with skills, helping people, more confident, good social networks, meeting people, which was always an obstacle of mine. I feel like I've overcome that now. And it's just really positive knowing that I've got a good job, a good career, and I can see a future now which I didn't see before. I've set myself personal goals. That's one of the biggest changes that I've made. By not having goals before, I wasn't quite sure where I was going to end up. But now I've taken on new qualifications. I'm currently undertaking training, mentoring people, and I just feel like these are massive changes for myself, because it means that I believe in myself now. Some of the courses I've been on with the Communities for Work Plus programme is the Introduction to Social Care course, which was the first course that I attended and how I became engaged with the programme. I attended that course as well as first aid, manual handling, health and safety. And after doing that, I realised social care wasn't for me, but I realised that I had quite a good passion for teaching and supporting people. So following on from that, I was given the opportunity to shadow the council, delivering that course to future learners. And also Communities for Work Plus secured me funding to do my level 3 education and training at iTech. My advice to anyone about the Communities for Work Plus programme is just do it. You can achieve so much, it opens so many doors. If you don't know what's out there, it's a great starting point to find out what you might be good at, what courses are available to help you upskill, as well as just helping with your CV, interview skills, and just boosting your confidence overall. The one word I'd use to describe Communities for Work Plus is empowering, because that's what it did for me.
My name is Siham, and I've been working with Paul from Community for Work Plus about 6 months. Well, it started after, the life change, separation from my ex, and then I found myself with 2 kids with no work experience. Yes, I have a diploma in accounting, but I never had real work experience, which I found it very difficult to find work. So I've been referred by Job Centre to this program, Community for Work Plus, and then Paul, he was my mentor to help me how to fill forms and how to find works and to do other courses which might help me to find a job, yeah. Well, I started to find my feet again, and I started to be financially independent and as well to feel secure after, you find yourself with the 2 kids, no experience, and you need to find a job at the same time. And it makes the life much easier, and that you have a support, that somebody there knows the situation and they are willing to help you and to guide you in the right direction. When you send your CV and it says, we know that you have diploma and this and you did that, that's brilliant, but we are looking for work for that you have experience. And because, when you marry, you are a mom, you become a mom, and all that time is just for your kids and the family. And then the life change, and that's the challenge when the life hits you, and then you find yourself like, where are you going to head, That's the challenge, and you're feeling insecure, and even the work, the idea of going to work, it scares you because you don't know what to expect. And then when you find people understand that situation and willing to give you time and help you, that's make a big change, yeah. So thanks God, I'm so happy I finished my course, and I am working now about a month now, building my confidence and using the skills and what I learned in accounting course. So I think the things is coming together. You guys, you know exactly the situation of everybody, you know, looking for work, they don't have skills or abilities, or there's anxiety. You know where they're coming from, and I think you can help them to take them from that kind of lost to find their feet again. Yes, thank you so much for everything. Really, I'm so lucky, and I appreciate all your help. It's like the lights at the end of the tunnel. Yes.